Okay, so she's recording now, Casey. So what are we doing here, Casey?
It just fell off.
Putting the track on.
It just fell off. So I took the track off to do the idler wheel bearings. Now we're trying to put the track back on. And we think we came up with a better solution. So we have people that have to put the track on, and we have spectators here too.
Moral support, Brad.
What did you do? Fall down or are you gonna fight?
Sunburn. I got sunburned really bad.
He fell asleep on a floating couch and the lake and drifted off 4 miles.
Oh my god.
It was a fun time.
Wait, actually?
Yeah.
How drunk were you?
Very.
Again, kids, don't get that drunk.
That's been the one story.
You better be the. Remember, you're the good video photographer. Okay, we got one.
We're gonna strap this up right away?
Yeah.
Right? Or do we want to
Right
try
behind the cab, like right behind it.
Yeah.
Casey, why do we have to strap that part and lift?
So it goes over the wheel.
Good job, buddy. Well,
But they can't see the wheel.
there you go. So we gotta
Smash
get
the
this
wheel.
thing up and.
Here's one bar. I'll go grab another one. We should probably put blocks or whatever.
Well, yeah, but don't you gotta get the thing up and over somehow?
We did have the bobcat.
Oh no, we did it with the crane. Give me the other lever.
Yep, I'm grabbing it.
Getting the step already.
Do this over there now?
Hurts too.
Now we can probably shove the wood under, get the slack out. So, these bars.
Neil, go grab those 4x4s that are under the other track.
Oh, I did it here. Okay. All right. You ready to pull that one? We weren't that close before. We got this on first, didn't we?
We used the bobcat to push this part on, so this part's gonna be new.
Thought we were done pushing on it.
I know, but that's how we did the last time we started.
Well,
Oh,
hang
if you
on.
flip the rigging around on that, that might help. No.
Well, leave it the way it is. Pick it up more.
So the crane doesn't.
This is just a little wheel.
No, I pulled it. It doesn't know when you're trying to push.
Okay.
Give me that.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, that's the next step, eh? Come on. We're gonna get this one of these days.
You're gonna have to lift up on that.
Okay.
I mean, you don't have to do it right in another second.
Sit up.
Okay, so we tried using the bobcat to help put the track on, and we're on jack stands, and she slid a little.
Now we're scared.
So now we're trying to hooking itself to itself, and this seemed to work out better.
Let's roll her.
Okay.
Spectators help. Good job, boys.
that on there. Hey. Got that?
Alright, I'm gonna pull it on.
Hey, go ahead.
Wrong way.
Come on, label. We have, I think we got too much slack on the top.
No. Hey.
What? Yeah, I know, I see it.
We can eliminate that problem.
Yeah. Pull those out.
Just try it on.
There. I'll put that back in there.
Oh, we might want to leave that one out actually to get.
Go ahead.
Because otherwise we're gonna be binding with it the whole time.
So one of the other things we did on here is we put Dawn dish soap on the rubber.
A lot of straight Dawn dish soap.
Okay, we're going good.
Okay.
Okay.
Lift that side so you don't have to.
You want to get the top up and over?
At this point, maybe we should reposition the come along further up. Because we're not, right now we're just dragging the bottom. Unless you want to try to drag the bottom a little bit further.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Don't take too much, just snug it up for now. So, we're going to reposition this inside the eyelets of the track. Do we go through two or just one?
It's up to you, whatever you can get it through.
This one might be record time to put on. That's my a lot further than we were an hour ago. We started at 7:30. You guys didn't?
No, this side. Oh, you got that. Well, not 8 minutes. To reposition there to pull center, plus it also gives a come along more roll so you can pull longer.
Lift up a little bit. Lift it up so the teeth are higher than the wheel.
Right there. That's it.
Once they're past the wheel, drop it down.
They're to pass. Drop it down. Alright, let's get the wood. Get her fired up. You can take that out. Yep. Alright, we're right up against the metal. I guess keep
Casey,
Yeah.
why are we worried about that middle?
Well, because if the middle is not on, we can't get the idler wheel on. Or tensioner wheel.
No, not yet. Hold on. Give me a minute here. First piece of wood is not want to be friendly with me. Okay, fire it up.
Forward!
Hold it!
Up!
We gotta get that come on there. Just pulling off a little for whatever reason. Go ahead, go forward. Feels like it's stiff.
Duck!
Forward. Forward. Nailed it.
Hey, Benji, what time does patrol get here this morning?